All right, welcome to Print Reading for the Machine Trades, Unit 9. We're going to talk about cover holes. Okay. Identifying machining process for holes, including drilling, reaming, countersinking, boring, counterboring, and spot facing. Recognize symbols used for specifying holes. Evaluate specifications for holes. Determine dimensions for holes. Okay. You want to be able to do all of those things, obviously. Machining operations for holes, dimension tolerancing, drilling, boring, reaming, counter drilling, countersinking, counter boring, and spot facing. Okay, you have your hole, your leader, your diameter symbol, your hole size, right? Depth single, and then hole depth. All right. So those, once again, those are all machining operations for holes. There, if I didn't say that right out. All right, drilled holes. Drill diameter determines hole size. Obviously, through hole. Okay, blind hole specified depth. So you obviously right. So if you have your top view is going to be the same. Your front view is going to be different, right? You got your front view of a through hole. Boom. You got your front view of a blind hole. Okay, your depth. Once again, that's the depth symbol up here. Your depth is 0.875 inches, and right, it's going to be a blind hole because you're not going all the way through. Okay, you have a specified depth for a blind hole. Bolt circle used to locate circular patterns of holes. Okay, so this is your bolt circle. Boom, 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 boom. Equal spacing is shown here, and then angular dimensioning is shown here. Okay. Um, so you want to pay attention to those things. Boring and reaming. Boring is enlarging a hole to close tolerance and finish, fine finish. More accurate than drilling. Reaming. Reamer finishes a hole to specific size and finish required for precision fits and follows drilling and boring. Right. Pro tip: reaming accurately requires extra material around a hole. Yeah, sorry. Reaming accurately requires extra material around a hole. Diameter is less than 1 inch or 25.4 millimeters. Um, so this is for what you need the extra material for around a hole for less than an inch, greater than an inch is here. Okay, so you got less and then greater. Counter drilled hole drilled for fastener head to sit at or below a surface. First specification line, a small hole. Second specification line, a larger hole. Right. So this, okay, for 0.450 through 0.74 specified depth is 0.489. So you have this, you have your counter drilled hole here, right? It's all the way through, but then you have this counter drill. Okay. And once again, that would be so that your whatever you're putting in your hole is going to the fastener is going to sit at or below a surface, right? Countersunk, okay, hole enlarged conically to recess fastener head, angle specified to match fastener head. So this countersink symbol, okay, means this here. Okay. Counter bored hole, cylindrically enlarged hole to specific diameter and depth, produces flat bottom surface. So this, so you got a counter bore symbol here, means this. Okay. Spot faced hole, smooth, flat surface around a hole, shallow recessed surface, 0.0625 inches deep, flat seat on inclined surface. So this spot face symbol, right? Straightforward, means this over here. Okay. And that's that. So you have all these different types of holes now. Thank you very much.